Hey guys, it's Marichu and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you guys a part 3 of my BT21 COOKY merch haul video. So this is the bag, the BT21 bag containing all of the COOKY merch that I got, and I just want to thank my friend Sinisa, who was actually on my BTS concert experience in Wembley Stadium. If you guys haven't watched that vlog, go watch that one. She was the one who actually bought me most of the COOKY merch in here. She actually went to South Korea for a short trip and she asked me if I want any BT21 merch, and I was like, yes please. So yeah, if you want to find out what I got, then please keep on watching. So I was gonna film this like over the summer, like ages ago, but I haven't really had time to do it, and I was gonna name it Summer Edition because most of the merch that I got are perfect for summer. But yeah, it's a bit too late now and I don't know if I'm gonna still do it, but yeah. Anyways, okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys the two items that I personally bought, and first is these two pairs of socks. I've worn this one during the BTS concert in Wembley, day 2, so that's why it's all ripped. But yeah, it's got two different designs. This one is pure pink. While I prefer this one because it's just basic white and it's got COOKY's face printed at the top of the socks, which I personally like. If you guys are interested in buying these, I will try to link it down below because I actually can't remember what I got. Okay, so the next item that I got is the COOKY keyring. This is what it looks like. And the reason why I bought these was because I want to use it during the concert in Wembley, which I actually did use, and I hanged it on my tote bag. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. Like, you can hang this on your crossbody bag or just any bag. But yeah, so cute. Everyone will know you're a fan of BTS if they see you with these keyrings. So the next items that I'm gonna show you are what Sinisa bought herself in Line Friend store in South Korea. Don't worry guys, I paid my friend, so I got a character handy fan. This is what the box looks like. As I've mentioned, I was gonna name this BT21 haul video Summer Edition because this handy fan is very handy, as the name goes. Handy fan. This is what the fan looks like, and it comes with this thing, and you can actually charge this one so long as you've got the adapter or charger, I don't know. It's got 3 volume, I don't know if you call it volume. So this is the first one, the second one, and the strongest volume. Oh my god guys, it's very handy during the summer. So the next item is this top. It's just a basic printed t-shirt and it says Hello Summer with COOKY's face. And I got the size extra small. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I really like the quality of the fabric. It's thick, which means this wasn't made out of those see-through material. So yeah, I really like this one. Hello Summer. Yes. So guys, I'll try to find where you can get this online. As I've said, my friend got it in the actual Line Friend store. Last but not the least, I got this 2-piece set pajama. So it comes with a t-shirt and a pair of shorts. This is what the t-shirt looks like. It's got a small print on the left side of the top, and I think I got the size small. So I got the size small, and it's a bit baggy, which I still prefer because I'm really into baggy pajamas. So I feel like they're more comfortable. And this is the pair of shorts looks like. It's so cute. It's also garterized, so if you're not sure about the sizes, don't worry because it's garterized. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So I think if you purchase from the actual Lifer store, you get some kind of freebies, and my friend got me this freebie. It's a key ring, I believe. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that. And yeah, this is a very quick video. I just want to show you guys the BT21 cookie merch that I got, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below what you guys think of the BT21 merch that I got, and if you guys want to see more of BT21 cookie edition unboxing videos, then please do comment, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.